Chi, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get my hair like white blonde. Right now I'm just putting on some hydrogen peroxide and baking soda on some of my hair. I jumped into it as soon as I was like, you know what, I should record this. Like, I really should get this up. Because I wanted to show you guys how I get my hair super white. And I show you guys, you know, certain products I use and stuff too. Before I didn't record it, but yeah, I've, you know, using the comb, working it through. You know, I done showed y'all a few processes, so you know, you kind of get the gist of it. But yes, I'm just, you know, trying to work it through and things like that. I use a mix of like conditioner and baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. You see, you got my little bowl there, you know, I'm trying to get it right. But yeah, you know, I'm about to be just sitting there, keep doing that. Cause you see the ends of my hair are like orange. Twins! Gemini twins. This is how my hair look after the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda process. You know, just showing you guys. Front ain't big, you already know how to do. So I'm showing you guys right now how I'm gonna bleach again and what I'm using. You know, normal products, I always kind of use the same thing, but I try to switch it up. Showing you guys I got like a pasty glue, more, you know, not like watery and stuff. That's one thing that will never change. Like, always try to put like get like a nice pasty consistency, or like thick. I like thick. I'm watching YouTube videos and stuff. I'm like, yeah, I'm about to get copyright claim. It's a lot of music. It's a lot of so, you know, like, we gonna get to, we gonna do that. But yeah. But yes, I'm just gonna keep putting that in my daggone hair or whatever, and just enjoy. I left like almost all this part in because I'm just like, you know what? I feel like a lot of people yell at me like, I want to see the whole thing. So I'm like, you know what? Okay. I'm going to just speed it up a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay. But yeah. I set up home. Okay, so yeah, I'm just literally gonna keep applying this to my hair, and yeah, you know, it's building up. You can see my roots getting a little white, a little silver there, and you know, I'm trying to get a little. Oh yeah, I do show you guys what exactly I'm trying to get as far as like what color I'm going for. So I'm gonna get dots, you know. But yeah. And you always want to make sure you moisturize the heck out of your hair before you bleach it. And I also, if I didn't show you guys a cholesterol conditioner that I put in the bleach, I do put cholesterol conditioner in it, and I noticed that it doesn't like rip and damage your hair as much. It's acts as if it's like just baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and when you do mix all that stuff together, it kind of settles it down. And then when you moisturize your hair with like an oil based something like Vaseline, it can be an actual oil as well. Like, oh guys, So look at like how it came out or whatever. This is how it came out. But yeah, it can be an actual oil as well, like coconut, vitamin E, you know. But look at that hair. Like look at that. That's how it came out. Like wait. But yeah. I'm doing a lot right now on the voiceover. I was just playing with it and stuff. Here's my cholesterol conditioner once again. And I got my purple shampoo. So I'm about to do a mixture. Boom. And tone it up. Leave it on for a little bit. Then get it popping, get it popping, get it popping, get it locking, get it dropping, get it locking. Just showing you guys, you know, I gotta include it. And I forgot to put the Vaseline. Dang it. I really forgot. I was like, what the? That's the color I was going for. You know, that 613, baby, right? Got my Just For Me leave-in conditioner. Trying to get it together with a little ponytail, you know. As you can see, I was trying to go for like a updo pony. But that didn't even end up working out. So, yeah. Then I wrapping my hair up, you know, showing y'all what it do, what it is. And this is how my hair came out. I ended up doing a little low bun or whatever, you know, something a little